I've lived in the UAE for 2 years, and my favourite thing about here is the sun and the sea, the fact that you can be out and about and there's so much to do. For the 43rd National Day, I would like to wish everyone a happy National Day, and I hope they get out and enjoy it.
I've been living in the UAE for 32 years now. I'm basically from Mumbai in India, and when I first came down here it was a very small place, and now it's like, it's like among the best countries in the world. And the thing is, the UAE offers equal facilities for everybody. There is growth for everybody here, and the most important thing is there is security, there is peace, and the facilities are fantastic. It's about some of the best in the world.
I work at GEMS Education. I've been in Dubai for 3 months, and one thing that I really love about Dubai is how clean it is. How it's got fast cars, and it's beautiful weather. And on this 43rd National Day, I just like to wish everyone a lovely, happy holiday.